Hey friends, if you wish to fix kernel data Inpage error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check for peripherals. Okay, peripherals like printers, scanners, cameras push their own drivers to the system, and this causes problems because they interfere with the existing drivers in the computer. So try removing them and check if it helps. The next solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution is a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open the malware removal tool. Okay. It will need a few seconds to load. Then click on next, select full scan, select next and then run it. The next solution is to update the drivers. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on check for updates. The last solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Then click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.